Hey guys, we are doing math class page 297 and 298. On 297, we're just going to do number 1, A, B, C, and D. And on page 298, we're doing number 3, number 5, number 6, A and B, and number 7, just letter A. We are doing some more two-digit multiplication today. We're just kind of adding a little bit with the carrying. If you are doing fairly well with the two-digit multiplication thing, then this should not be a problem for you at all. So we have this problem right here, 74 times 35. Again, we're just going to pretend like this 3 is not there and multiply this 5 times 74. So first, 5 times 4 is 20, carry the 2, the 0 goes down there because it's 20. 7 times 5 is 35, plus this 2 that we have up here. So 35 plus 2 is 37. Okay, and we're going to put a 0 down here underneath my 1's place. And we're going to take this 3, we're going to times 3 times 4 is 12. Now, here's where it's going to be a little bit different. I have 12, but I already have a number up there that's carried. Well, the thing that you probably are going to want to do is cross that 2 out. Above that 2, just write a 1. Since it's 12, 3 times 4 is 12. So cross the 2 out, put a 1 up there, and then a 2 goes down here, so it's 12. And then we're going to continue on. 3 times 7. Well, 3 times 7 is 21, plus the 1 up here that is carried is 22. I'm going to write the 22 down here and add it together. 0 plus 0 is 0. 7 plus 2 is 9. 3 plus 2 is 5. And 2 plus the nothing is 2. My answer is 2,590. My next problem is 37 times 44. So we're going to do this 7 times 4 first. 7 times 4 is 28. Going to put the 2 up there. 8 goes down here. 4 times 3 is 12, plus the 2 is 14. So we have 148. We're going to put the 0 underneath that 8. And then we're going to go over here, multiply this 4 instead. So 4 times 7, again, 28. There's already a 2 up here. Now, here's where you could do a little bit. What I want you to do right now, we're still going to cross this 2 out and write another 2 above it so that I can see that I carried 2 different numbers. Eventually, maybe when you get old enough and you've been doing this long enough, you can just remember that you have this 2 up here. But it's always best if when you're finished carrying, using the carried number, you just cross it out so that you don't accidentally use it again. So we have this 4 times 7 is 28. So 2 got carried, 8 goes down here, and 3 times 4 is, again, 12, plus the 2 is 14. And we're going to go ahead and put a line and add it together. 8 plus 0 is 8. 4 plus 8 is 12, carry the 1. 4 plus 1 is 5, plus 1 is 6, and this 1 right here gets brought right down. My answer is 1,628. My next problem is 82 times 41, so we're going to ignore this 4 times 82 times this 1 right here. So 2 times 1 is 2. 1 times 8 is 8. That was easy enough. We're going to use this 4 now. It's in the tens place, so I'm going to put a 0 underneath that 2. 4 times 2 is 8. And then 4 times 8 is 32, I believe. And it looks like I didn't have to carry any numbers for that one. So not all of these are going to have carried numbers, but make sure that we know how to do it just in case. 2 plus 0 is 2. 8 plus 8 is 16, carry the 1. 2 plus 1 is 3, and 3 plus nothing is 3. So I have 3,362. I also have letter D. I want you to do that on your own. There might not be carrying for that one, but do keep an eye out for it just in case there is. Because you don't want to get tripped up by that kind of stuff. On the next page, page 298, number 3, I'm not going to do that on the board. You need to do that on your own. You really do need to know these measurements, like how many feet are in a yard and things like that. The averaging. If you're struggling with averaging, let me know down in the comments. Maybe I can do a little bit extra with the averaging, but I think you should be able to do that on your own. Reducing the fractions, we still need to work on that. We're not as good as we need to be on that, but I want you to practice those things. And then number 7, you're just writing the number that they give you. It's 593,062. So go ahead and do the rest of this page.